Hi, my dear friends. Welcome back to Smart English Official.
Have you ever felt this? You know some English words. You understand a little English.
But when it is time to speak, your mind goes blank.
You feel shy. You feel nervous, and no words come out.
If that is you, please stay here with us today, because in this video,
We will show you simple ways to improve your English speaking skills.
these tips are easy
They are practical.
and they are perfect for beginners.
So if you want to speak English more clearly, more confidently, and more naturally,
Then this video is for you,
and please watch until the end.
because we will share a very easy daily practice plan.
You can start using it today.
So, let's begin.
I'm James.
And I'm Lima, and this is Smart English Official.
Before we start,
Please like this video,
and subscribe to Smart English Official.
because we make simple English lessons for you,
Easy lessons,
useful lessons,
fun lessons.
so you can learn step by step
Now let's start our topic.
how to improve your English speaking skills.
Let us start with one big truth.
To speak English well,
You must speak English often.
yes, it sounds very simple.
But many learners forget this.
They study grammar for a long time.
They read many pages.
They watch many videos,
They memorize many words.
but they do not speak enough.
And then they ask,
Why is my speaking not improving?
the answer is simple.
Speaking improves when you speak,
Not when you only think about speaking.
not when you only worry.
Not when you only wait.
So please do not wait for the perfect day.
Do not wait until your English is perfect.
Do not wait until you know every word.
Start now.
Start small.
One sentence is enough.
1 minute is enough.
Small steps can bring big change.
Now let's talk about fear.
Many learners are afraid to speak English.
Maybe they think, oh no, my grammar is bad.
My pronunciation is not good.
People will laugh at me.
But listen carefully.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Every strong English speaker made mistakes before.
Many mistakes.
Lots of mistakes.
That is how learning works.
So please do not say, I made a mistake, so I should stop.
Say this instead.
I made a mistake, so I am learning.
That is the right mindset.
And when you stop fearing mistakes,
You start speaking more.
and when you speak more,
You improve more. Tip number 1.
speak English every day,
Every day means every day.
even for 5 minutes.
Even for 10 minutes.
You do not need a perfect schedule.
You need a simple habit,
Daily speaking is better than one long practice on the weekend,
because daily practice keeps English active in your mind.
and active in your mouth.
If you only study once in a while,
You forget faster.
but if you speak every day,
Your confidence grows day by day,
so make English a part of your life,
like brushing your teeth,
like drinking water.
like checking your messages.
Yes, maybe not too many messages.
Tip number 2, talk to yourself in English.
Some people think this is funny,
Some people think it's strange.
but it is very useful
Very useful.
because you don't need a partner.
You can practice anytime.
In your room,
In the kitchen,
while walking,
while getting ready in the morning.
you can describe what you are doing.
For example,
I am making coffee.
I am opening the window.
The weather is nice today.
I need to study now.
Or you can talk about your day. This morning, I woke up at 7.
I ate breakfast.
Then I went to work.
Simple sentences are enough.
Please remember that.
You do not need hard English.
You need active English. Tip number 3.
Listen first, then repeat.
This is one of the best ways to improve speaking.
Find short English audio.
It can be a short video.
It can be a podcast.
It can be a simple lesson.
Listen carefully.
Then repeat the same sentence.
Try to copy the sound.
Try to copy the rhythm.
Try to copy the feeling. For example,
If the speaker says, "Today is a beautiful day,"
you say, today is a beautiful day.
again,
And again.
this helps your pronunciation.
This helps your speaking speed.
This helps you sound more natural.
And it also helps you feel more comfortable with English.
Tip number 4.
Learn useful phrases.
Many learners only learn single words.
But in real speaking,
We use phrases all the time.
short groups of words,
Useful groups of words.
like How are you?
I'm not sure.
Can you help me?
One more time, please.
I don't understand.
That sounds good.
Let me think.
No problem.
When you learn phrases, speaking becomes easier.
Because you're not building every sentence from zero.
You are using ready-made pieces.
So keep a small notebook.
Write useful phrases in it.
Read them often.
Say them out loud.
Use them in real life.
Tip number 5. Think in English.
This is very helpful.
Many learners do this.
They think in their first language.
Then they translate into English.
That takes time, and sometimes it makes speaking slow.
So start thinking in easy English.
Not perfect English.
Easy English.
For example, look at your phone. Think, my phone is on the table.
Look outside.
Think, the sky is cloudy.
Look at your bag.
Think, my bag is heavy.
Small thoughts are enough.
Simple thoughts are powerful.
This small habit trains your brain.
And later, speaking becomes faster and easier. Tip number 6.
Read aloud every day.
Do not read only in your mind.
Use your voice.
Open your mouth.
Hear your own English.
Choose a short text.
Maybe a short story.
Maybe a simple English lesson.
Maybe a short article for beginners.
Then read it aloud slowly.
Do not rush.
Read clearly.
Pay attention to pauses.
Pay attention to punctuation.
Pay attention to how the sentence feels.
Reading aloud helps your mouth get used to English sounds.
And that makes speaking easier later. Last tip, tip number 7. Record yourself.
Yes, we know.
Many people do not like this.
They say, oh no, I sound strange.
But this is a very powerful way to improve.
Because when you record yourself, you can hear your real speaking.
Maybe you speak too fast. Maybe your voice is too soft.
Maybe some words are not clear.
And that is okay.
Because now you know what to fix.
Choose one easy topic.
For example,
My family.
my favorite food.
My daily routine.
Speak for 1 minute.
Record it.
Listen again.
Notice one thing to improve.
Just one thing.
Then try again the next day.
Tip number 8.
Find a speaking partner if you can.
A friend is fine.
A classmate is fine.
An online partner is fine too.
Your partner does not need perfect English.
You only need someone who wants to practice.
Talk about simple topics.
Food,
Work.
family,
Hobbies.
movies.
Weekend plans.
Ask simple questions.
What did you do today?
What food do you like?
What do you do on weekends?
What kind of music do you enjoy?
Keep the conversation easy.
The goal is not perfect English.
The goal is active English. Tip number 9.
Use simple words.
Please do not feel pressure to use difficult English.
Simple English is strong English.
Clear English is better than difficult English.
If you know an easy word, use it. For example,
Instead of saying a very hard word,
you can say something easy and clear. Instead of, I am exhausted,
you can say, I am very tired.
instead of, I prefer this,
You can say, I like this more. That is okay,
that is smart.
because communication is the goal.
Not showing difficult words. Tip number 10.
Answer simple questions in full sentences.
This is a great daily exercise.
If someone asks, what is your favorite food?
Do not only say, pizza.
Say, my favorite food is pizza.
I like it because it is delicious.
I eat it with my friends sometimes.
Now your speaking becomes longer.
Now your speaking becomes richer.
This is a very good habit.
Now let's talk about pronunciation.
Many learners worry about accent.
But listen,
You do not need a perfect accent.
you need clear pronunciation.
Can people understand you?
Good.
Then you are doing well.
Please do not feel bad about your accent.
Everyone has an accent.
Focus on being clear.
Focus on speaking calmly.
Focus on saying words well.
And remember,
Listening more helps pronunciation grow naturally.
Here is another very useful idea.
Use English in real life.
Do not keep English only in your notebook.
Bring English into your day.
Write your shopping list in English.
Name things in your room in English.
Say your plans in English.
Say your feelings in English.
Use English when you cook.
Use English when you clean.
Use English when you walk outside.
The more English becomes part of your life,
the more natural it feels.
Now, as promised,
here is a simple daily speaking plan.
This plan is easy.
And it only takes about 15 minutes.
Minute 1 to 3.
Listen to short English audio.
Minute 4 to 6.
Repeat what you hear.
Minute 7 to 9.
Read a short text aloud.
Minute 10 to 12.
Talk about your day.
Minute 13 to 15.
Record your voice or answer simple questions.
That's it. Short, easy,
powerful.
If you do this every day,
your speaking will improve. Before we finish,
we want to tell you something important.
Please do not compare yourself too much.
Your English journey is your own.
Maybe someone speaks faster than you.
Maybe someone knows more words than you.
That is okay.
You only need to become better than yesterday.
One small step today.
One small step tomorrow.
And little by little,
you will become a stronger English speaker.
More confident, more natural.
So, dear friends,
do not wait to be perfect.
Start speaking today.
Use simple English.
Speak every day.
Trust the process.
And be kind to yourself.
If this video helped you,
please give it a big thumbs up.
Subscribe to Smart English Official.
And turn on the notification bell
so you never miss our new English lessons.
Also,
please write in the comments,
what is the biggest problem in your English speaking?
We would love to know.
And we may make a new video for you.
So comment below.
And practice one English sentence today.
Just one sentence.
You can do it.
We believe in you.
Thank you for watching Smart English Official.
I'm James.
And I'm Lima.
See you in the next video.
Bye.